This lesson is on area and perimeter. Now the first thing that we have to figure out is, what are area and perimeter? What do those words mean? So I like to give students an idea in their mind to work with. So for area, I have them think of an area rug, so that they know that an area is how much space the figure takes up on the floor, or how much the inside of that figure is. Now this figure is a rectangle. Most standardized tests will give the students two numbers to work with. We'll use 7 and 5, and they'll also give them a unit of measurement, and we can use centimeters. For area, all you have to do is multiply the bottom number times the side. That's it, just those two numbers, the bottom times the side, or the length times the width. 7 times 5 is 35. And then we add our unit of measurement, centimeters. So the area, or how much space is taken up in the middle, is 35. Now for perimeter, we're missing information. What you need to know about a rectangle is that it has two equal sides. So if a rectangle has two equal sides and the bottom is worth 7, the top should also be worth 7 centimeters. If this side is 5 centimeters, this side should also be 5 centimeters. You have to fill in your information, because to find the perimeter, you have to walk around the rim of the figure and see how long it takes to walk around that figure. So we would do 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5. We add up all the numbers to get the perimeter. Now students can add these numbers any way that they feel most comfortable. Some will say 7 plus 5 is 12, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 12 is 24. That's fine. Some will say 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 7 more is 19, plus 5 more is 24. That's fine too. Others might say 7 plus 7 is 14, 5 plus 5 is 10, 14 plus 10 is 24. Really, it doesn't matter, as long as they know that they're adding up all four sides to get 24. It's whichever way they feel the most comfortable with. Now this is area and perimeter for a rectangle. We also need to look at area and perimeter for a square. On a standardized test, they will give them the figure and a little key to let them know that this is actually a square and not a rectangle. That is known as the right angle box. When students see the right angle box, they should automatically know this is a square, not a rectangle. On the standardized test, they will also give them one number to work with and a unit of measurement. We'll use 3 in inches. Now, knowing that this is a square because of the right angle box, we should know that all four sides of this square are going to be equal. So if 3 is the bottom number, the side is also going to be 3 inches. Well, now we have enough information to give us our area. To find our area, all we need to do is multiply the bottom number times the side, or the length times the width. 3 times 3 is 9, and then we add up our unit of measurement, inches. Now to find perimeter, we're still missing information. But with a square, it's really quite simple. If all the sides are equal, the missing two sides are also going to be 3 inches. Then to find the perimeter, all we have to do is add up all four sides. 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, or 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 more is 9, plus 3 more is 12. Or you might have some students that say, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 3, and 4 times 3 equals 12. It's whichever they feel most comfortable with, but I do want to advise them against using this method only because I want them to understand that area is multiplication, perimeter is addition, just so that they don't get confused later on down the line in the year. So anyway, this is how you find area and perimeter for a square.